Tonight, step outside and look at the night sky. Every star you can see is hiding a much bigger secret. Everything you've ever touched is almost nothing. Your body, the Earth, the Sun, every galaxy. Together they make up only about 5% of the universe. The other 95% remains almost completely invisible. Astronomers gave it two names: dark matter and dark energy. But naming something is not the same as understanding it. For decades, scientists believed they were slowly solving the puzzle. Then the universe became even stranger. In the early 1900s, astronomers believed the Milky Way was almost everything. That idea collapsed when Edwin Hubble discovered countless galaxies beyond our own. The universe instantly became larger than anyone imagined. But an even greater surprise was waiting. In the 1930s, Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky studied a massive cluster of galaxies. Something made no sense. The galaxies were moving far too fast. According to gravity, they should have flown apart, yet they stayed together. Zwicky proposed an invisible source of mass. He called it dunkle materie, dark matter. Almost nobody believed him. For decades, the idea remained on the edge of science. Then came another mystery. In the 1970s, astronomer Vera Rubin carefully measured how stars orbit inside galaxies. She expected stars farther from the center to move more slowly. Instead, they raced around at nearly the same speed. It was as if every galaxy were buried inside an enormous, invisible halo. Again, the math pointed toward unseen mass. Dark matter suddenly looked unavoidable. Today, scientists estimate it makes up roughly 27% of the universe, yet nobody has ever seen a single dark matter particle. Not one. How do you search for something that refuses to interact with light? Deep underground laboratories wait for tiny collisions. Powerful particle accelerators recreate conditions from the Big Bang. Space telescopes map invisible gravity across billions of light years. So far, the universe has remained silent. Then another shock arrived. In 1998, two independent teams were studying distant exploding stars. They expected the expansion of the universe to be slowing down. Gravity should have been pulling everything back together. Instead, they found the opposite. The universe was expanding faster every second, every minute, every billion years. Something was pushing space itself apart. Scientists named this mysterious force dark energy. The discovery completely changed modern cosmology. Today, dark energy appears to make up almost 68% of everything that exists. Think about that for a moment. The largest part of reality has never been directly detected. Could the universe be hiding its greatest secret in plain sight? The mystery has only grown deeper. New observations from powerful telescopes continue to test our best theories. Some measurements of how fast the universe expands refuse to agree with one another. This disagreement has become known as the Hubble Tension. It may sound like a small technical problem. It could actually mean our understanding of physics is incomplete. Some researchers suggest dark energy may not be constant. Others wonder whether gravity itself changes across enormous distances. A few even question whether dark matter exists in the form we imagine. Every possibility forces scientists to rethink the foundations of the cosmos. That is both exciting and unsettling. Science is strongest when reality refuses to match expectations. Every unexpected result becomes an invitation to discover something deeper. Perhaps dark matter is an entirely new family of particles. Perhaps dark energy is a property of empty space. Or perhaps both ideas are signs that an even bigger theory is waiting to be discovered. History has seen this before. People once believed Earth was the center of everything. They were wrong. They believed our galaxy filled the universe. They were wrong again. Every generation thinks it understands reality. Then the universe quietly proves otherwise. The greatest discovery in astronomy may not be a new planet or a distant galaxy. It may be realizing that almost everything around us is still unknown. The stars above are not showing us the whole universe. They are showing us only the tiny fraction we can see. The greatest mystery is not hidden in the darkness. The darkness is the mystery.